first part of the construction of the Mullum Mullum Trail at stage 3. We've got 4 bridges going in, similar to this. We've put a beam across, and we've got a tower structure. This will be a suspension bridge with a fairly nice handrail on it. The other ones are very much similar. But the important part about this, the 4 bridges are going to go along this trail for about 800 metres, which will be the missing link in the bike paths that will actually get you from the city of Melbourne right through to Frankston. So it'll connect up with the East Link trails, and it'll connect up with the Yarra trails. So this one's crossing the Mullum Mullum Creek, and it's significant because the first one, it was also the most complex one. Access was very difficult with the getting the span in, and we've managed to get in, and we've protected the environment and the cultural heritage in the area. Hope you enjoy the bike ride along this path in the future.